Hi everyone! Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, totally unplanned, really impulsive purchase if I'm honest with you. And I purchased this bag, yes it is a bag, sight unseen. What that means is I've never seen it in person, never seen it in the boutiques. I saw it on Mel in Melbourne's channel. If you don't know Mel, she's a pretty massive luxe YouTuber here. And when I saw her with the bag on her channel, I was like, I have to have that bag. You know, if you've been here before, that I am at a point of purse peace where I feel really content with my collection and I don't feel like any real craving for any other particular bags. But with that being said, when I saw this, I was like, that would be the cherry on top. I just want that bag. I don't know why. So let me just get in here. And the only other time I believe that I bought a luxury purchase or a luxury handbag sight unseen was my Saint Laurent toy Lulu. I have that here with me. This one here, this too, I had never seen. And then I all of a sudden stumbled upon it on Dee Levine's channel. And if you don't know Dee, she is super cute. She's actually got multiple channels for fitness, lifestyle, and luxury, I believe. And when I saw her with this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that bag. So I literally finished watching the video, and then, very unlike me, I went ahead and just ordered it online. And it turned out really well for me because you guys know I love this bag and I wear it so much. It's one of my most worn mini crossbody bags. So I'm hoping that this too will be a success. So let's get in here. Okay. By the way, I have to say, not to be anticlimactic, but anytime I do a Louis Vuitton unboxing, I sometimes feel like it falls flat because you open the box and then it's just like this beige, boring dust bag with nothing else. If you look at other boxes or packages like from Chanel or Dior or even Saint Laurent, they just, I don't know, they have a little bit more fanfare. So here it is. I just wanted to say that and get it out of my system. All right, boom. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is a newer release, and not all of you may be familiar with this bag. It was totally new to me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy BB in ink. They're calling it ink. It is a jet black lambskin. Yes, and it is so soft and smooth and buttery. Holy gosh. Yes, it's so beautiful. So this is very different from the Empreinte. I noticed it right away. The Empreinte leather has more of that texture. It's grainy and it has a more deeper kind of pressing or embossing of the LV monogram. But this you can see is very subtle. It's almost like very much on the surface level, but it's there. And so I think it's a little bit more discreet. And I think the lambskin just makes it so luxurious. So here it is on the side. It is the bandolier version, so it is, I think it is the only version really, but it has the strap, which is probably inside. Yep, probably inside. And I feel like part of me got this bag because of the strap, because it was so gorgeous. So I'll show you when I get to that. This is the bottom. I noticed that the bottom is sturdier than the classic Speedies. So you know that I have the classic Speedy 25 in the monogram, and I was really reluctant to get that bag for many years for a lot of different reasons, but one of the reasons being that I felt that it was very saggy and droopy. So recently I got a bag organizer from Zumoni. I just did a video on that. If you missed it, you can go check that out. And so now I feel like it's more structured. But this one here, all to say that this one is really, I don't know if it's because it's leather down here, it's really structured, and it's also a mini version, so I don't think there's going to be much sagging. Here is the gold hardware. Here it has Louis Vuitton, the studs, Louis Vuitton. Oh, here's a black little tab, leather tab. So I'm going to open it up. Let's see. Yep, smooth zipper, top handles. Okay, so it's been stuffed with a lot of paper here, so let me remove all of that. And I have noticed some people saying that, whoa, oh my gosh, This just came out. Wow, the chain just came out with all the paper. Oh my gosh, look at this chain. I was saying something else, but I'm now totally distracted by this gorgeous, gorgeous chain. So this is partly what drew me to the bag. So it is this gorgeous braided leather and gold hardware entwined strap, clearly removable. It has a lobster clasp on this side as well as on the other side. There's some tape on it at the moment, but it's beautifully polished gold hardware. And actually, I thought, based on the photos and videos that I saw, I thought that this would be kind of like a flat braided strap, but you can see here it's much more three-dimensional, which I love. It's more intricate than I expected. It's really stunning. It's beautiful. So I really want to give credit to Louis Vuitton for coming up with such a beautiful design in combination with this lambskin and the size. So this is going to be slightly larger than the Speedy Nano, which I know is super popular. A lot of people have been trying to get their hands on the Nano. The one thing about the Nano, though, I felt like because it was smaller, the opening would have been tighter for me, and I feel like I just have big hands, long fingers, so I felt like the opening would have been tighter. And I also didn't love the fact that the strap, the Nano comes with the leather, the VACHETTA leather strap. It is not removable on the Nano. So for me, the versatility of being able to play around with the strap, maybe interchange it with different straps, maybe double this up, just kind of playing around with it, I felt like was just more my cup of tea. So let me put that down. I was just going to say something. Oh, I've heard a couple of people talk about the missing padlock. So the classic Speedies come with the lock and key, right? But this one here on the website, it states that it comes with a padlock, but it doesn't clearly because I don't see it anywhere. And I've heard other YouTubers talk about how it's missing. I don't think it's missing. I'm not even going to bother calling my SA to ask about it, because what you can see here is that in this tab, there is no hole for the lock to go through, and normally there should be a hole. So I think that it was just a typo, misinformation on the website. So Louis Vuitton is going to have to, clean that up. But I am not a big fan of the locks. I don't ever use the locks. I don't know. It's not like I'm carrying bricks of cash in here. So I'm not concerned about the lock. And also locks tend to make the bag heavier, so I'm fine without it, but I do think they need to correct that information so it's not misleading. But yeah, here it is. And then there is a very pretty luggage tag that is also removable, so I think that's a nice touch. It kind of adds like a little bit of charm to it. So let me put this on, and let me just move the box out of the way too so you can get a better look without all this stuff around it. Just give me a minute. Okay, so let's just okay, so here she is in all her glory. Oh my gosh. And the inside is beautiful microfiber lining, just like my beloved Pochette Métis. It's one of my favorite things about the inside, that it is so soft to the touch. And there seems to be a little pocket here. Yeah, it's hard to see because it's black, but there's a little pocket here. And let me see if I can see here. I can see it. You all probably can't see it. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. So this is my very first Italy piece from Louis Vuitton. I have from France and from Spain. So this is from Italy. Let me just see what I can get in here. I know a lot fits in here because I've seen videos with the nano size and so much fits in there. Unbelievable. It really does pack a punch. And since this is a little bit larger, I know that the mini pochette will fit perfectly. And then even my Chanel Mini O case, which is a slimmer version of the mini pochette, will fit nicely. Let's put my phone case in. This is an iPhone 7 Plus size. Let's put my coin purse. Let's put my card case and my key pouch. And let's see. Oh, wow, that looks really nice, really organized. Maybe a little bit heavier. Yeah, I think it's a little bit heavier than how it would be if it was canvas, because canvas is noticeably lighter than leather. but no surprise with that. And then you can probably plop some sunglasses horizontally. I can probably put a lipstick. Yep. I have another little pouch with my extra cards. I can probably put that over here. And then I don't normally carry this one with me. You guys know how I feel about the egg, but you know, I can plop it in. There you have it. No bulging, no problems. Wow, super pretty. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? What do you think of this whole look? The size, the lambskin, the monogram embossing. It's a different way of doing it here than the empreinte like I mentioned. And the chain. I just wonder what y'all think. Have you seen this? Are you into it? Yes, no, maybe so. Why? I want to try this on later. I know I can probably do one shoulder, crossbody, and maybe even play around with this and double it up. And then of course you can also completely remove it and just do top handle, which will look really cute. So again, I love versatility. I feel like when there's versatility, then you're getting more value for your money. So, and I can also use different chains on here. Oh, how cute is this? And I can do that. Oh, that's very charming. That's really cute. And I can put it in the crook of my arm. Yep. Just making sure that it fits. Yeah, and I'm not going to do mod shots right this second, but if you are interested, I will try to post some mod shots on my Instagram. It's the same name as my channel here, Hello Catwalk City, so go check it out. And speaking of my Instagram, I had mentioned a few days ago that my friend Elma and we are doing a joint gratitude giveaway as kind of like a token of our appreciation for all the love and support and kindness from our Instagram community. It's been really, really a fun ride. I started my Instagram account a little over a year ago, and it's just been really nice to meet people with the same kind of interests and passions. So we are giving away a Louis Vuitton key pouch, brand new, full set, made in France, but in the monogram print. So mine is in the Damia Ebene print. And so if you are the lucky winner, you will receive a brand new monogram key pouch. So if you haven't checked out my Instagram already, then I highly encourage you to hop over there and enter the giveaway, because the random winner will be drawn. The giveaway will be going through November 13th, so you'll have some time. Yeah, so I just want to mention that too. Love sprinkling in giveaways here and there. There probably will be one more giveaway right after that before the end of the year, just because I want to. It's really fun. It's actually really addictive to do giveaways. Just the feeling that you get. But yeah, guys, I really like this. I just hope it lays well on my body because it's not adjustable. So I hope that it sits well. And there are no feet on the bottom, I wanted to mention. Now, it probably would have been nicer to have some feet to protect the lambskin because it is delicate, but none of the Speedies have feet. So, I think I would have been pleasantly surprised if they added it. Now, if you have really, really long nails or carry sharp objects or like lots of bulky keys with sharp corners, I don't know if this lambskin is going to be the perfect, fit for you. But if you can be a little bit careful, I do feel like it's just absolutely stunning and really nice to the touch. There is going to be some creasing I'm seeing already, like because it is that soft kind of malleable leather. So let me close this up. Actually, you know what? When I open it, I wonder if there's... Yeah, so you see that over here. I want to give you a close-up. So there's some creasing that's going to happen when you open the bag. And I take that as a good sign because the creasing hopefully means that it's kind of like moving versus it being more rigid and prone to wear and tear over time. But it's something I'll be mindful of. The handles are made out of cowhide leather and the trim as well. But the rest, like all of this here, is that luxurious lambskin. If they made this bag in epi leather, black epi leather, I would definitely take a look at that. I think it would be stunning. I know that they don't make the classic Speedies or even the bandolier version at all. In the Eppies, they discontinued it a long time ago. I think that would be really pretty. I wonder if they're going to come out with a canvas version of this, but then it won't have this beautiful strap, I don't think. I think this really works with the black lambskin. If they come out with a canvas version, I think they would just do a kind of like a plain leather strap the way they did on the Nano. I don't know, I'm just speculating. Let me know. Yeah, please let me know your honest thoughts, questions down below in the comments. And price, you can easily check this on the Louis Vuitton website, but I think the price was $2,590, if I'm not mistaken, plus tax. I don't have the receipt in front of me because it was an e-receipt, so I'd have to check my phone, which I'm filming with right now, so I can't. But I think it was $2,590, pretty sure, plus tax. So it's definitely not cheap. It's, you know, more on the higher end of bags from Louis Vuitton because it is leather. It's not canvas, right? And I think it's just really well designed, the thought and intricacy and detail that they put into it. So is it worth it? I don't know. We'll have to find out. But I always feel like worth is subjective anyway. Something that's worth it for me may not be it for you and vice versa. So I am smitten with this bag. So totally unplanned, spontaneous purchase, but happy to have her, and I hope to be able to do more in-depth reviews in the future. If you do like this video or if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you enjoy this type of content, frivolous, pretty, luxury things, I would love for you to consider subscribing and join the fun. Thanks so much. Till next time. Bye-bye.